lovers, welcome to Enchanting Eyes, where every week we'll be bringing you cruelty-free makeup tutorials. Today we have got Danica. What is your Instagram?
DanicaRayZA.
Okay, well we'll put the link in the description box. But basically she is a self-taught makeup artist, one of my good friends, and we're so happy to have you on the channel today. And we're going to be testing out the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette versus the Dupe Factorie palette, and we're going to let you know hot or not on the dupe and give you our thoughts. So if you want to see how this all worked out, then keep on watching. Okay, so what we're going to do to put this to the test is I'm going to do one eye using the Dupe Factorie palette and one eye using the original palette from D, and she's going to do the same, and then we're going to compare the two and see how close can we get them to look.
Okay, so I'm going to be doing a neutral brown smoky eye, and I think I'm going to use this shade 24/7 from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is my favorite shade in it. It's pressed glitter, and it's like a really dark brown with beautiful glitter in it, so I think I'm going to do that.
Okay, did you write the names?
I did, yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. I'm not quite sure. I haven't a look in my head of what I want to do, but I think I'm just going to go with it as I go and see. These ones don't have.
Jody, why do you always break things?
I didn't even touch it. I went like this and it fell out. Okay, so I'll just be holding it like this then. Well, I'll just tell you the names as I go, but basically I'm going to be doing a green and blue halo eye with more of like a warm tone crease color.
Okay, so I'm starting with the shade Silk Cream.
I'm going to go in with this, so like a warm tone orange color, my crease color.
Okay, I'm using Creamsicle in the crease. It's such a nice color if you want to do like
what is that, your mustard color?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going in with this color. What have you got it as on yours?
Puda. Sorry.
Puda, okay. Or like it's a warm brown color.
Okay, I'm using Puda. I almost painting with this eye.
Okay, now I'm going in with this brown color here next to the red. Don't know what it's called, doesn't have a name on this palette.
Are you doing both eyes?
Have I been doing both eyes? I'll just wipe off the one eye.
I was like, wait, I'm doing this understanding.
How did I even know?
I've been talking to you this whole time and I didn't even know this.
Okay, so I'll just wipe off this.
Okay, I'm now going to move into the darker brown, so Mocha?
Whatever.
Yeah. You know what I just realised? I don't know how I'm going to remember which shadows I've used for the other eye.
That's what I was literally thinking as well.
Okay, no, it's fine.
We get the idea. Okay, so now I'm going to start building my halo eye. So I've done like all my crease and everything, and I'm going to go into, I'm having a look at yours, I'm like, the one eye is going to be so different.
Oh,
this
yeah.
green part. So I'm going into this like forest green color, and I'm going to be doing my outer V and my inner third of my eye to create my shadow.
I'm now going in with 24/7, and I'm going to wet my brush so that it intensifies it.
Yes.
I'm just realizing now that these are going to look so different.
Right?
I love this eyeshadow so much. You see the glitter?
Yeah, wow, yeah, it's very pretty. Now I'm going in with this bright turquoise color for my center color.
I bought the Jaclyn Hill palette for, I think it was just over 800 rand, or like almost 900 rand. Then I saw a couple of weeks later, because everyone wanted it obviously, there were Instagram sellers selling it for like 1,200, 1,300. I was like,
yeah,
it's ridiculous.
Okay, I think I'm
Me too.
done.
Now I have to remember which shadows I use.
I'm doing my liner after. Okay?
Yeah, me too. Okay, so now we are switching palettes.
Yeah. I'm gonna do the other eye.
I'm using the Dupe Factorie and Jodie's using the original.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
Which always feels so weird to say Morphe. Yeah.
Why?
Because of the word. You know the Afrikaans word for
Morphe.
Yes. The first time I said it to my mom, I was like, I really want this Morphe eyeshadow palette or something. She was like, why are you saying that? And I was like, no, that's what the brand is called.
never even thought of
Really?
that.
I get so self-conscious to say it in front of people that I know.
Well, now that I know that, maybe I'm confident. So the colour I started was orange, but it was this nude.
I know.
So okay.
Okay, so I'm going in with this one. I'm just looking at the placements of.
Yeah. You can also see how the two blend differently, because sometimes something is really pigmented. Like the Switch Beauty palettes, I feel like some of them are really pigmented, but then it doesn't really blend
Easily.
Yeah.
And it looks blotchy.
Yeah.
I actually wish that I bought my Morphe 35O so that you could see the difference, because compared to that palette, this palette is insane.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, those, I feel like that was one of the most overrated things on YouTube.
Really?
Yeah, I'm really not a fan of it. Because the eyeshadows are so chalky and they're so difficult to blend, so it always looks like blotchy.
Yeah.
No matter how much you like sit there and blend it.
Yeah.
And when I bought this palette and I swatched them, like just the feel of them was so different. You can really see, like, you know how she said she spent, what, 3 years? 2 years?
Yeah.
3 years making this palette. Like, I honestly can see why. Because this is already looking so different.
Yeah. Well, now this is where it's going to look different, because these greens are like day and night.
You notice the difference in the blending?
Well, it's hard to say because the browns now that I used on your palette are different to the browns here.
Yeah.
So like the color is different, but I think I will see now with generally like browns and mattes blend okay, but then when you go into the more pigmented colors, it's like you see. So we'll see now compared to.
I'm noticing that when when you tap it off, I feel like a lot of the pigment is getting tapped off. I don't know, and I feel like these are warmer. Did you notice?
This one,
yes,
definitely. One thing I must say though, positive for the dupe is that the greens are more pigmented than this one. Like I feel these greens, the moment you put it on and you try and blend it, you lose like half the pigment. So it's weird because this green is like dark forest green and this is light. But then look at the colors here. They look almost exactly the same.
Really?
Yes.
That is weird.
The swatches are different, but on the eye it looks exactly the same.
Okay, so this is where it goes to shit. Oh, sorry, do you swear on your tongue?
Well, shit is okay, right?
Okay, but this is where it goes bad because this is nothing like the shade in the Jaclyn.
Okay,
so we're going to see how this turns out.
I'm done with my eyes.
Oh god.
I feel like they look almost exactly the same. The only difference is the crease, whereas this side is more warm and your side, my crease is more cool toned. But other than that, I look pretty much exactly the same.
See? You see, like if you had to tell me now, if I had to walk in here now, I would never know that you use two different palettes. Yeah. So the thing is, this is not a pressed clear done, whereas that one is. And it's a lot darker. See?
Yeah, you can really tell that it's different.
Oh god. So this is the Dupe Factorie. And this is the Jaclyn here. They're very, very different.
Overall, I think Dupe Factorie did a good job. Like, there's definitely a lot of similarities. I feel like the blending was really nice, especially on like the greens and stuff, which usually is hard to blend out. Yeah. So I feel like they did a good job. The colors aren't exactly the same. Definitely the Dupe Factorie has more warm tones. Yeah.
But they are very similar, so I feel like for someone who's wanting to buy the Jaclyn Hill palette that's maybe too expensive. Like all the shades are similar enough. Yes.
Yeah, you could go for it.
I feel like the browns were a little bit darker in this palette.
Yes, definitely.
These are a little bit lighter and
which I like it, which is nice. I definitely think this one has a better variation of lights to darks. Yes. So we're just going to go and put on our foundation and our bronzers and the rest of our face, and we'll be right back. Ta-da! You're so brown and like, got it. Anyway, so what are your final thoughts?
I really think I can't tell the difference on your eyes.
No.
At all. And I think the Dupe Factorie palette was easy to blend. And it was pigmented. I do find the browns were a little bit different as I was using the darker shades, and also the lid shade was very different. But overall, I think the color selection is really similar to the Jaclyn Hill palette. If that's that you're interested in buying, then that's a really good dupe.
Yeah, exactly. If you're worried about shipping or you want something a bit cheaper, then I think you can definitely go for it. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe below, and let us know what you thought in the comments below. If you'd like to see Dio on our channel again. And that's it for today. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.